Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invest in ChatGPT. So to do that, first go to chatgpt.com, and over here you can ask any questions related to investments. So I'm just going to ask it a few questions and let's see if it can answer about investments. So it can help me in investments, so I'm just going to ask it some few questions. So it says it does not have access to a graph or data related to stocks, so it cannot provide the exact answer, but it has listed me some points about Tesla, so that will help me figure out if I want to buy Tesla stocks or not. So let's ask another question. So yeah, it's just giving me basic ideas. So yeah, you can ask any questions related to investment in ChatGPT and it will give you a rough idea. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.